Alright, so Hunyuan might just have killed the traditional 3D animation pipeline. This is Hunyuan Motion, and what this is a text to motion AI model. Stay till the end and I'll show you how you can install it and run it on your computer using ComfyUI. If the quality is this good, it just destroyed the traditional pipeline, because anyone that wants to do animation might just use this to at least do a sketch, because these motions are insanely good. Look at this. Let's see a few more examples. A person sits down on a chair. Pretty self-explanatory. A person runs forward. This looks like a sloppy run style, but it's a run cycle. A person jumps upward with both legs twice. Okay, so it can be pretty specific. It's working. A person shoots a basketball. Yep, looks pretty correct. A person runs forward, then kicks a soccer ball. Oh my god, this is just really good. A person attacks holding a shield in the right hand and a sword in the left. Very good animation. Let me play this bigger. This animation is very good, look at this. But of course, it won't generate a sword and a shield. It should be just the animation. So that's pretty much it. You can see the quality is very good, very impressive, but how can we run it locally? Well, they have their model here on Hugging Face, but there is a better way to run. This guy created this custom node that you can use for ComfyUI. So you can just go here, you activate your ComfyUI Conda environment if you have one, and then git clone this repo into custom nodes. So you go here and you're in your ComfyUI folder and then custom nodes, and then you git clone this repo into here, and then it should give you this folder. Open here or a cd into this directory, and then pip install -r requirements.txt, and then it should install the requirements and you should be good. Now you need to download a few models. Now first you need to create this folder structure into the ComfyUI models folder. So you go here, ComfyUI models, and then you create these folders here. You can just copy and then paste the name. Here you're gonna create CKPTs, and then here you can choose if you're gonna use the regular model or a GGUF for the LLM, because it uses the Qwen3 for text encode. In my case, I'm using the GGUF, so I created a GGUF folder and then paste the model here. And then you need to create the Tencent folder and then the model you're going to use. So they have two versions. The regular Hunyuan Motion, which they're saying you should have minimum of 26 gigabytes of VRAM to run, and then this Hunyuan Motion Lite that they're saying you should have 24 gigabytes. It's actually much less than this. I'm gonna show it in a moment. If you use the Lite version, you create the Lite folder here and then paste the models here. Where are the models? In this page of the custom node that I'm gonna leave in the description, you can just find the models here. The Hunyuan models are here. You should download both files, the CKPT and the config, and place it into the folder. So I downloaded this GGUF version, but it didn't work for some reason. But that's not a problem. You can also use this bits and bytes quantization. If you select in the node, it will download automatically. If you have done all of this correctly, you can just start your ComfyUI, make sure you update. You can go into your ComfyUI, custom nodes, your Hunyuan Motion folder, and you're gonna have this folder here. workflows. Then you go here and you choose one. Like I said, the GGUF for some reason is not working, and at least on my computer, I don't know, you can try it. You can drag this one into your ComfyUI. Few errors will be prompted, but don't worry. So I'm gonna choose the light version here, and here you can choose the quantization. I'm gonna choose the int4, and it will download automatically for you. After it's loaded, the generation is actually pretty fast. And well, let's see a few results here. Let's try this example. It came with the workflow. A person jogs in place, gradually slowing to a stop. All right, it does what it said. Pretty good. Now let's do something more interesting. A person shadowboxing. Little lazy shadowboxing, but kinda looks like shadowboxing. A person doing a cartwheel. All right, it duplicated the thing there for some reason, but the cartwheel itself, it's pretty good, but a little weird in the arms there. Bear in mind, this is the quantized model. Not bad, and the generations are pretty fast as well. So Tencent might have killed the traditional 3D animation pipeline. That's it. Let me know what you think, and see ya.